I was at this abandoned fingerboard park and found this board. It was absolutely trashed but looked savable, so I decided to give it a full makeover. So I got to work. First step was to remove the grip tape, which was basically melted on. Then I did a full disassembly. The trucks were rusted on and the bearings seized. I have no idea what graphic this used to be. Time to sand it all down. Much better. Then I used a sick DIY paper graphic. It looks good and was easy. These trucks were rough, but I wanted to rebuild them. Now I took apart the trucks. They had to be bent back into shape. I gave them a coat of paint and new bushings. They came out super nice. I put them back together. Now it was time to reassemble everything. I put in new hardware. I used some LC boards, bearing wheels with lock nuts. Then I gave it some nice foam grip tape. The final result came out super nice. I mean, look at the before. And look at the after. It shreds once again.